Hello guys, welcome back to the Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Steam Deck stuck on logo. So, you might be getting some issues here with your Steam Deck and stuck on the logo menu here. Well, there are a few things that you may or you can actually do here. Now, with Steam Deck here, to be speaking, if you're stuck in your logo, you need to put this in a very specific way. So you want to turn off your Steam Deck first, and in this case, you want to power it on. But while you're powering it on, you want to press and hold this three dotted icon or button in your Steam Deck. Now, while holding that, it should give you two options. So you have the previous option and the current option. Now, with those options, you may want to choose the previous option. So you could use the buttons here, navigation buttons, and you can go and select this via your keys here. But yeah, so go and choose previous, and that should boot up your Steam Deck normally for you. But yeah, so that's something that you could try doing here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.